He was racing in the morning heat, focus sharp, wheels cutting speed. Crowds were cheering on the side, rhythm steady, breath aligned. Then from nowhere, breaking through, a car that shouldn't cross the route. A violent crash, a sudden flight, and everything went out of sight. Cold white lights beneath his eyes, a room of whispers, blurred outlines. He tried to move, but nothing came, just silent fear without a name.
Your spine is broken,
and we don't know if you will ever walk again. The weight of truth crashed harder than the hit, but in the quiet deep within, a spark said he was not finished yet. No, he was not finished yet. They often metal down his spine, a risky hope, a fragile line, but lying still unable to rise. He felt a strength behind his eyes. If the mind can break a man so far, maybe the mind can heal the scar. There's no voice from heaven, no miracle sign, just one decision in his mind. He closed his eyes, tried to begin, but darkness kept on pulling in. Thoughts like storms he couldn't tame, images of loss without a name.
Again,
he fought the noise, training in his thoughts like stubborn wild boys. Breath by breath, day by day, a spine of light began to sway. Vertebrae glowing in his mind, a body rebuilt from the inside. Then one soft morning, sunlight on his sheets, a single toe began to meet the living world he thought he lost. A tiny move, a priceless cost. Tears fell quiet on his skin. He knew the healing had begun. He was not finished yet. He stood again beneath the open sky, walked down the road they said he'd never try. No iron inside him, just will and fire. A man reborn from his own desire. Not finished yet, and now the world can see what a mind set free is capable